Good day, Jamaica, and welcome to the Yaad quiz, where we test your in-the-street knowledge of all things Jamaican. My name is Roy, and today I'm joined by two contestants. First contestant is Tallman, also known as Yaadman. Give it up for Tallman.
Well, I want people, you don't know say Yaadman, you know. And when me grow up in a arm, I want to, you know, and make it in a life, you know, you don't know, so we have to buy mama the house on the hill, we have to drive a bimmer, we have to come out of the struggle, you see me? Straight, I say, go man, nothing more.
And our second contestant is Everton, Donovan, Fitzroy, Anderson, Brown. What are your name, long massa?
Well, good evening, Jamaica. My name is Everton, as you've heard, and I'm a graduate of the university. I graduated with first-class honors. I'm also a Rhodes Scholar for Jamaica, and I am well-read in all things Jamaica. So my intention today is to win this competition comprehensively. I will not be defeated. I will be going home with the crown tonight.
Now, on today's quiz, we'll be taking questions from general knowledge, street knowledge, biology, current affairs, and more. Question number 1, and this is a visual question. Please, contestants, look at the following clip and identify this former Jamaican Prime Minister.
Percival James Patterson.
That is incorrect.
What?
Tallman, would you like to try?
No, but that's PJ.
That is the correct answer.
Yeah. His nickname is PJ, but his correct name is Percival James Patterson.
Everton, if you would like to win this quiz, please be reminded that this is the in-the-street version
That's how you're going to do it today.
of the Yaad quiz. General knowledge. What is Jamaica's national food?
KFC?
That is correct.
KFC. Why do I think that was ackee and sawfish?
Biology. Now, this is another visual question. We're going to ask you to please look at the monitor and identify this body part.
Foot button?
That is correct. Mathematics. What is 1 plus 2?
That's equal to 3. That's a very simple answer.
That is incorrect.
What?
Yardman, would you like to try?
You know, I feel like say a tree, that means like tree.
That is correct.
No, but
the answer is 3.
The answer is 3.
General knowledge. When did Jamaica gain independence?
Well, that's easy. 1962.
That is correct.
All right.
Everton, look like that alone, you know, man. Like that alone, you know. Contestants, please finish this popular Jamaican quote. Nobody cannot
Cross it.
That is correct. Now, in the category of spelling, contestants, please spell the word Savannah-la-Mar.
Nah, shame, can't spell it.
Nobody?
Can't spell that.
No, can't spell it.
I just sub them.
This is another visual question. Contestants, please look at the monitor and identify the nickname that this person would have in Jamaica.
Black or blacks?
That is correct.
Then I must smell like a man black like tar.
So Everton, you know what I mean? You look like you know what I mean. You better answer some question. Who is the official representative of the Queen in Jamaica?
The Governor General? Hey, Louis.
Well, that one could have gone anyway, so judges, I'm going to ask you to deliberate on that one, please.
What is going on?
Thank you very much. Next question.
It is the Governor General. Oh, I'm stressed. Oh my God, I'm stressed.
General knowledge. Contestants, what is Nanny of the Maroons popularly known for? We catch the bullet with our body. Okay. Everton, would you like to try?
She was well known for leading the Maroon Rebellion against the British.
All right, the judges will deliberate on that one. Please look at the monitor and identify this former Jamaican politician.
I can't recall.
That is correct,
But
Tallman.
right?
I cannot recall is the correct answer.
Yeah, that is not right. That is not right.
I
that
cannot
is not
recall
right. That's
is
incorrect.
the correct answer. That's what I have
The
from
man
the
don't name
paper.
I can't recall.
I don't know where you get your answer
His name is
from,
not
but
I
that
can't
on
recall.
my
His name
paper
is
as the
not I
correct
can't recall.
answer.
What are you?
I cannot recall. This is an audio question. Please, contestants, listen to the following clip and identify the possible nickname of this person.
I played in.
Sama.
That is correct.
Yeah, man, me know it correct, man. You not tell me say correct. Me know it correct. Yo, come, I beat to come to the and teach you.
If you have $200 and you minus 50, what can you buy in Jamaica with the change that can fill your belly?
Nothing. Patty.
Patty, brother? When last you buy one patty?
Well, I really haven't had a patty in a while, so yeah, I'll take that one. I'm wrong.
This is another visual question. What would you call the child in this photo?
A jacket.
That is correct.
Yeah, man, a jacket. That man. That pit there for him one.
Well, that is the end of the quiz, ladies and gentlemen. And with an overwhelming victory, we have Yaad man.
You don't know na Yaad
And
man
in place
thing.
number
Yaad
few,
man thing.
we have Everton.
I still don't know how I
Please,
lost.
be sure to join us again on the Yaad quiz, the In the Street edition, where we test your knowledge of Jamaica.